Hello, everyone, and welcome to Word of the Day, where I give you one word a day to help build your vocabulary so that you can become a more fluent English speaker. My name is Neil Humphrey, and today's word of the day is optimistic. Please repeat, optimistic. Very nice. If you are an optimistic person, that means that you are very positive. You always think that good things are going to happen for you in the future. You always say, it will be okay. However, if you are a negative person, if you always think that bad things will happen, then you are a pessimistic person. So, which one are you? Are you an optimistic person or are you a pessimistic person? I'd love to hear from you down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.